Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to share with you a DIY video of how to make handmade paper. These beautiful handmade sheets can be used for greeting cards, making beautiful paintings on it, and it's like you can even use it for watercolor paintings. So these were the few materials that I used: a handmade decal, a cloth to dry out the excess of the water, and most importantly, paper. So let's see how the process goes on. First of all, I collected as many paper sheets or paper strips that I could. You can use old sheets of paper or new sheets of paper, depends on what color or what kind of paper you want to make. You need to soak the paper in water for about 24 hours. I used orange sheets and white sheets of paper. I wanted to make paper of two different colors. After soaking it for about 24 hours, I need to blend the paper in a mixer. Use excess water because anyway we are gonna put all the pulp into fresh water. So it's okay if you use more water while blending. I love handmade sheets. Its texture is so beautiful. I usually use it for making cards, handmade cards. Now, taking the pulp and putting it into fresh water. You can take two or three glasses as per the thickness of the paper that you want. I wanted a bit thick papers, so I mixed more of the pulp, like around 3 glasses. The process itself is so satisfying. I enjoyed the whole process of making these sheets. It takes around a day to dry up, so you have to put it on a piece of cloth, or you can press it somewhere so that it drains out the excess water and it dries up quickly. I prefer the cloth. Do squeeze out the excess water so that you get the sheets more quickly, it dries up more quickly. I repeated the process for the white sheets. As you can see, the white paper pulp came out blue, but it was a really nice shade, so I decided to keep the shade. In fact, it gave me a better color than the orange papers. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, do give it a thumbs up and press the bell icon for more such videos coming up.